everybody there at FTX. Hope you're well on this lovely Saturday morning here in Bondi. Don't forget this is brought to you by FTX, and if you haven't already got your FTX trading account, don't forget if you're in Australia, you can also on-ramp through their platform as well. So you don't have to go and send it somewhere else and send it back in. You can just go straight through. 10% off your trading fees down below in the description, as well as how to go long, go short, and manage your risk. Okay, so a bit of rockiness in the market overnight. I'm going to start with the top 10, just show you what it looks like. Quite down, apart from Link. Link really performing well at the minute. A bit of a shame. I got a trade on it yesterday. I got stopped out just before it moved. Anyway, can't win them all. What I also wanted to show you quickly before I show you my watch is when we've seen a down day or you know a move like that, what's often a good place to start is to go to your list and look at the markets that are strong. All right, and try and find your trends there. This is if you're strapped for time, because it's the ones that are strong throughout the rest of the market falling that may continue or may be in the best position to continue. Now, there's nothing here on Algo right now. Atom had a very strong move, and it's only the lower time frames really that would be of interest if this cyclicity continues. I'll go to Dragon next, which also had a good day. Look at that. Very, very strong indeed. And although not really all that great on the 1 hour due to this lower low, if I look at look at the 15 here, let's have a bit of a sticky beat. Yeah, I want to see that cyclicity kick in a bit better, so I'll probably leave that for now. I'll do a scan probably later. Of course, Link, we'll have a quick look at that. Look, it went a bit nuts. There was a bit of spiking, a bit of all sorts of business, but it sorted itself out by the look of it for right now. And the cyclicity is looking quite nice indeed. So that's why it's in my list. Just to be nice to see it smooth out a little bit more throughout the day and give us opportunities on those lower time frames. From there, we shall look at Tezos. Look, it's a little bit too messy. Cobb as well, having a good move. That is in my list, and I'll show you why. We'll just show you why now. Again, it's that lower time frame. That cyclicity is really, really, really nice indeed. And if you know what the booster is, you've got a couple of anchor points there. What's next? Let's move well down here. If anyone did take this avalanche trade from back over here, there is a stop level to move here. I'm comfortable with putting my stop there now, and that's that. Let's have a look at OMG. Go back to those lowers, see what it looks like. Quite messy, but again, another one where the focus can be on the 15. Might get a 15 cradle in there. Not too much going on here on AVE just yet. Sushi has moved well also. A bit choppy at the moment though. You can see with that really big candle, it's not quite got that cyclicity. Helium, not looking as good as some of the others, and now I'll take you to my list. So I discussed Link, looking at Link for opportunities in the lower time frames. I discussed AVAX, which was based on that 8 hour, so that's good. What I do like at the moment at this stage is I don't mind Zcash. I've been talking about Zcash back into 100 for a while now. I've got that. Look, it's not the smallest of candles. That's my only concern. That is genuinely my only concern there. I might take it anyway. I've got to make the decision when the candle comes to closing in 25 minutes. You can see the pullback into that cradle zone in an uptrend there. So it's got room, keeping a very close eye on that. Cobb is next, which I think, did I discuss that? I'm not sure. 15 minute, yeah, looking at double booster levels. You know, we've got anchor point here, so draw that in. Also, cradle's still worthy. And just to throw something different in the mix, because the market might continue to come off. The market might continue to fall. And therefore, I've got to have options, if they're available, to be looking for shorts. And if you look here, I'm happy to take a short even if the market's strong. If there's a downtrend and it fits the rules, I'll take it. And here you can see it's not so clear and defined on the daily, but the 12 hour, look at this. Lower high, lower high, lower high. It continues to draw lower. Now, based on that, a pullback into roughly around here, or $6, something like that, into that cradle zone could represent a short for us. Next up is Tomo. I think that was the 8 hour. Bullish candle right there in the cradle zone. Looking quite good. That's the 8 hour I'm looking at there on Tomo. And finally, it's Meta here, Meta at a bar. And I'm really looking at this for one reason and one reason only. Okay, it's the daily, and it's not ready yet. If we're to see Meta at a bar break through this resistance today, then I'll be looking for buying points back into this old support or old resistance level acting as support. Now, it might not happen, but I'm just saying if it were to happen, then this has got some explosive potential. So I'm going to keep a very close eye on that as well. Guys, that's the list. If you haven't already, go to tradercobb.com, get yourself on that free course, learn all these ingredients. It'll make a heck of a lot more useful, these videos and the scans I do. If you haven't got your FTX account, 10% off in the description below. And you have yourself a great day. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.